Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. All you need to make a slip knot is some yarn. So I'm going to show you how to make that. Let me zoom up my camera. Alright, so you have your piece of yarn here. We're going to take this piece here, so the start of our yarn, and we're going to pull it to right here, and then so I have my pointer finger or index finger holding this, so we're kind of making like this, and we're gonna make it parallel. So as you can see, there's two pieces now. So setting it down, this is what it looks like. It makes a curved piece, and so with our left hand we're holding it together on this, and then on our right hand we're making a loop. So then we are going to, so once you have this, we're going to flip it. So just cross it over like that. And if you want to keep both sides even, you can add another finger here to make that side about the same size, but you don't have to. So we're looping over, and then we're gonna put our thumb in with our pointer finger, so like this. So showing it again. Keep it like this. We have our pointer finger like this. We're twisting, and then we're putting our thumb in while we twist. So we have it like this. And then we go like this and get our beginning of our yarn, but we hold on with our left hand. We do not let this go. And we pull this loop through what we had like this, and we keep pulling until we form a little knot. And then that is how you make a slip knot. This is how it should look. The thing about slip knots is you should be able to pull your two ends of your yarn to completely undo it. So that is the goal of a slip knot, to be able to undo it. If you cannot undo the slip knot, that means you did it wrong. So showing you again, hold the yarn like this, put our finger right there, twist it, insert our thumb, and then we go to this piece of yarn, and then we pull it through. And so it will take some practice to get used to it, but once you do, you'll be able to do it pretty fast. So yeah, that is how you make a slip knot. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.